Check out this Dano's Fat Daddy chicken patty on toothpick. Gonna show you how to make this healthy snack. We're gonna take this zucchini, we're gonna grate it, strain it. We're gonna add a little bit of onion powder, some minced garlic. Definitely going with that hot chipotle Dano's. We got a barbecue sauce for dipping. You can use ranch, honey mustard, but today I was feeling like a barbecue guy. To grate your zucchini, go ahead and cut off the ends. We're gonna go with the small grater right there. I'm gonna get a small, this is basically gonna be our binder for the chicken patty. That's why we wanna strain it so it doesn't have moisture in there. The wetness will cause it not to stick together. Be careful not to cut your fingers. These grates are sharp. After you got a half a cup to about 3/4 a cup of this ground zucchini, is that what they call this thing? A grinder? Grater. So after you've got about a half a cup's worth to 3/4 a cup of this grated zucchini, you will take it together and we're gonna drain it into this dish. Pick up your cutting board, take this wonderful grater, push it into a bowl. Now, as I was saying, you wanna get the moisture out of it. So I'm gonna grab it and I'm just gonna slowly squeeze it and get all of the liquid out. You can even use the old trick to push it up in the corner of the bowl, press it up against the side and see how all that liquid's coming out. That'll ruin making the zucchini a good binder with the chicken. It is amazing how much liquid is actually in pretty much 3/4 of the zucchini. Throw it in your mixing bowl to mix with your chicken, your garlic, your onion powder, and definitely, you know, that Dano's gonna bring the flavor. Cut up your ground chicken, add it into your bowl, get you some garlic, nice little bit there. I like garlic, so I'm gonna add a little extra. I'm very excited about this. I haven't had a chicken patty since probably grade school, and I know that this chicken patty is gonna be healthy, and it's going next level with the flavor. I mean, this thing is gonna explode with flavor. I can already taste the chipotle coming out of there. This is healthy with the zucchini as a binder, no breadcrumbs. I'm stoked. Add your onion powder. Grab my right hand man there. Little Danny chipotle. Sprinkle, baby. Gosh, this is smelling so dang good. Now remember, guys, because we are low sodium, we're all natural herbs and spices, you really can't overdo it with the Dano's. You're just adding more real flavor. This is not too much. In fact, it might not be enough. I like tasting real flavor, and if you do too, make sure you use a generous amount of that Dano's. Once you got all that together, you just want to start mixing this up. You guys, I had never thought about using zucchini as a binder, but I think that's a great healthy alternative, and I think this is going to be very, very delicious. We're gonna patty these things up. Gonna be a nice decent chunk. Build you a patty as you would a burger, but this is a chicken patty. Now that we've got these patted up, like I said, probably didn't use enough. And because I do like flavor, I'm gonna give them an additional blessing. This, guys, dynamite! We're over here at Mama Pig's house, and I asked her for a spatula. She comes back with gingerbread Jimmy here, and he's gonna be flipping our patties for us today. Let's give him a high five. More like a smack, but. So we're gonna add a little bit of oil to our pan here. I'm gonna go with barbecue sauce as a dipping sauce, or you can drizzle it across there, whichever you prefer. Give your sauce a good shake. All right, guys, so the oil's hot. Let's let Gingerbread Jimmy go to work. Listen, Jimmy, I want to thank you for coming and hanging out with us today and doing the hot work, if you know what I mean, because my paws couldn't handle that, you know? Oh, yeah. Well, I'm telling you what, those are tasting really good already, and I can't wait till you get to try them and enjoy it too. Man, I really appreciate your well wishes there with this wonderful looking chicken patty, and I'm really hyped now that you told me how good it tastes. I really appreciate that heads up. No problem, Toothpick. Anything for a good boy like you. Conversations on the set. You guys know that Gingerbread Jimmy can break dance? Check out his moves. Jimmy said he got a good look underneath there while he was dancing, so he said go ahead and flip them. Let him continue to cook all the way through. Another blessing. Let's give it a taste. Texture looks good. Zucchini made a great binder. It's piping hot. Passes the vision test. Passes the smell test. Let's give it the taste test. It definitely passes the taste test too. You guys, delicious. Your sauce choice, whatever. I went with barbecue, and I do not regret that one bit. Oh, it's all there. Like, subscribe, and follow for more dang good recipes. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We're always doing the damn thing, and you can too. Stay flavorful, my friends.